Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, please join me because we are going to a Burberry event. It's their grand launching here in the Philippines. I'm going to take you around, see what we could find here, maybe check their new collections, and if I could also find the prices of these amazing pieces, definitely I'm going to put everything here. So make sure you're ready your phone for a screenshot. So guys, I'm inviting you all to please join me and happy shopping. Hi guys, Ron here, Suki Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury identity family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @RamiraPie2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. So guys, we are attending a Burberry event for today. So here we are right now. Here we have the new design bags from Daniel Lee, their new creative director. So later we are going to check more of these very beautiful bags. So this is a pochette style. The bag charm that it comes with is fully detachable. So that is the medium size. And here we have a very beautiful messenger bag. What I'm loving about these bags, I think if I'm not mistaken, they are using buffalo leather. So guys, again, I can be wrong, but I could see the very beautiful graining, the natural grains of the leather. These are, I think, the classic lines of Burberry with the Burberry check. Loving this speedy over here. This is nice. This is also cute.
Okay, I'm gonna take a picture. Here, stand here.
Alright, so let us check out some pieces here inside the store. So they have, of course, shoes for women and men. So loving these high heels. These are runway pieces. Very cute, beautiful white sneakers. So let's see what we could find else. Later we are going to check more of these nylon backpacks. We also have menswear bags over in this section. Ayan. This is 144. Clutch bag niya, Bottega. So he wants to reinvent it. So let us check out more beautiful pieces from Burberry. So here we have eyewear section. So this one is only priced at 11,000 Philippine pesos. This one is 10K. Then they have ready-to-wear pieces. So these are the menswear ready-to-wear pieces. So they have shirts. They have short pants, they have button down. Loving those new design bag print from Burberry, from their new creative director. Then they have belts over here. Enjoying the party here at Burberry. So they have some snacks, they have champagne, they have cocktails. So here are some more ready-to-wear pieces. So I'm not just really sure if these are the new collection, but later we are going to check more of these pieces from Burberry. So we have shirts over here. So let us enjoy some cocktails, some wine. Here are some very cute bags. So this is like a never fold tote. So it's made of canvas with leather trim. So here we have a cute 90 shoulder bag style. Loving the east-west style. So it is made of canvas, canvas with leather trims as well. So this is a good size messenger bag, perfect for work, perfect for travel. I like this one, guys. Oh, it's lightweight. So I'm guessing this is made of coated canvas. I love the detail. have a backpack over here. Actually, this one, guys, I love this one. The size of this one is like a skinny 20. This one, guys, this is a classic. This is the classic check print. I love this one. I'm guessing the price is around 120 to 150. So these are the new styles from Daniel Lee. So I'm not really sure what the leather is, but I am loving the grain. The grain of the leather that they have used, as you can see. And you're also going to notice the shape. Like it's the shape of the bum or behind. Also this one, what I'm loving are the hardwares. Just look at the chest piece hardware, like the night hardware, correct. Just look at this one. Just look at the detail, guys. The hardware is amazing. I love the hardware, but I feel it's not really that heavy, but you know, it looks polished. I love that it doesn't have any logos at all. This one I have asked earlier. I think if I remember correctly, the price is around 140K. This hardware over here is detachable. So if, for example, you don't want it or you want to attach it to other bags, definitely you can use it still. So it comes in a tweed version like this. So silver hardware. This is the smaller size. Then we have the medium size over here. So the medium size, it's the same. It's smooth leather. The only logo over here would be this one, detachable piece here. And there we have the nylon backpacks as well. So these are made, wow, loving the feel of this one. So if I'm not mistaken, these are all menswear pieces over here. So we have here Burberry bag for men's. This is good for office or maybe even travel. And then what we have here, so we have shoes. So we have classic shoes like this. So we have the price. No, we don't have the price, guys. So these are the newer styles. This one I like. I like this one. It's 86,500 for this style. Oh, this is also nice. $92K for this one. Super nice. And if you're not feeling the heels, we have the flat version here. Ooh, love the detail of the sole. That's nice. This ballet flat, guys, is everything. It's nice. I love the quilted detail. So this one comes in the black version. It comes in this one. This is also nice, like this. So here we have the new ready-to-wear from their new creative director. $122. Love this piece, honestly. Also this one. I'm not sure, guys, if this is the latest collection. So I'm guessing this is the latest collection from Daniel Lee. Ooh, this tweed set is nice. It comes with the skirt and it comes with the jacket. So we have the trench coat, updated trench coat. This is the classic Burberry trench. So here do we have the price. 174,500 for that one. We have the shirts. We have dress shirt over here. This one, the denim one, this is so nice. And it comes with, it's a set, so the pants, we have the pants over here, and we have shirts. I love the rose detail. this one. So not quite luxury, but you know, if you don't know the new logo of Burberry, you would not know this is the Burberry. So this one, as you would notice, the underneath it has the rose print and also the denim pants. Oh my god, guys, I wasn't expecting this. They have a gift for us. How cute. So we have champagne and it comes with this beautiful box over here with flowers. Thank you so much, SSI. Thank you, Burberry. Yay! There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, if you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a horse emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting everyone to please join our ever-growing family. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury and vintage family. Please help me reach my 4,000 to 5,000 case hubbies this year. I would really appreciate it. Also, please do follow me on my Instagram account. It's @Ramirify2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me today's episode. I'm going to do a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!